How to fix notification sound on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. After click on do not disturb, make sure if you want to fix this problem, so turn off do not disturb button. After turn off do not disturb button, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see so it just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system update. You will see first option is software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix notification sound on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.